I'm here today with this trading card binder, and it's quite nice. So the cool thing about something like this is you have these very sturdy side entry flaps here where you can put everything in, and these are large enough to hold like the top loader card holders. So this is perfect. I've seen these at fairs where they sell Pokemon cards, but other trade cards as well. So these are large enough for any type of trading card, right? Pokemon or baseball cards, Magic the Gathering, that sort of thing. So they all fit in here, and my son has put his most valuable cards in here because we saw these at a trade fair, and we just wanted to get something like this for some sturdy cards, so nothing gets damaged here. If you're a store, then something like this is essential, right? Because you can put them in these nice sleeves. You can price them right on the sleeve, so people can see how expensive each one is, and it fits like these top loaders for your more expensive cards, which you don't want to bend. Those soft sleeves aren't enough to protect your expensive cards, right? So something like this is really, really cool. And you can put one on this side and one on this side. You have different sizes for these, so you can just look at the listing and see how many cards fit in there. That's 9 per page or 18 per page. Because each page can hold on 2 sides, so that's pretty cool. And some of his cards are like 80 euros or $80. So I live in the Netherlands here, so we talk in euros, but like $80. So he wants to keep them safe, and I really want him to keep them safe. So very sturdy. It has a zipper here, zipper lining, so you can close that up. If you have all of them filled with both sides and all with these top loaders, with these heavy duty top loaders, then you'll have like something like this as a size binder, and it's really, really sturdy. It's stitched quite well here, so this doesn't look like it will loosen anytime soon. So very happy with this, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.